The block blast strategy is a concept often used in games or businesses to describe a focused, high impact approach to problem solving or growth. In gaming, it typically refers to creating or managing a sequence of moves or actions that lead to clearing large areas of obstacles or achieving a significant win. The key to success with this strategy is anticipation and timing, using resources or moves in a way that maximizes their effectiveness. By setting up a chain reaction or series of planned actions, players can clear blocks or obstacles efficiently, allowing for faster progress throughout levels or challenges. In business, the block blast strategy can be applied to product launches, marketing campaigns, and other initiatives where concentrated efforts lead to major breakthrough. So this strategy relies on identifying and targeting key areas where resources will have the greatest impact. By focusing efforts on one major push, whether it's an innovative marketing stunt or a high-profile product release, businesses can achieve a long market presence and significant results in a short amount of time. Success in either context requires careful planning, awareness of available resources, and the ability to execute with precision. It's about making each action count to achieve a bigger long-term payoff. All right? Let me know if this helped.